Generative grazing is a principle-driven agricultural practices of building soil health by managing livestock on perennial and annual forages, and in a way that supports human health and ecosystems health, farm profitability, and community and food systems resilience.
Science. Pinakita ng siyentipikong pananaliksik na ang mga regenerative grazing practice ay pwede maabot sa daghan nga benepisyo kauban na dadto pagtaas sa biodiversity o gipamaayo nila ang pagtambok sa kayutaan o carbon sequestration o gipababa sa dila ang greenhouse gas emission.
Technology allow us to manage and pasture better than we could in the past. So technology is makatabang siya kay para ma-manage o maka-allow ta sa mga pasture o makapili ta sa mga pasture nga ato ang gamiton kaysa sa atong time nga wala pa'y technology. So ang technology also give us a many option in what type of livestock and watering system to use. So ang technology sad is makatabang siya kung para makapili ka o kung unsang livestock ang imong buhion or unsang watering system ang imong gamiton sa pagbuhi sa livestock.
Social impact. Regenerative grazing has a notable social impact by promoting sustainable and management, fostering community engagements, and supporting local economy. It often involves collaboration among farmers, ranchers, and communities to restore economic enhance soil health and mitigate change.
Overall impact. Regenerative grazing nag-promote siya o sustainable land management practices kung asa nag-preserve siya o ecosystem, support biodiversity, and mitigate climate change. Ang kultura ng alinon o mas humot na koneksyon sa yuta o sa oil sources o nakahinumdum sa atong responsibilidad sa pag-amuma o paginabuhi sa inaiyahan.
Regenerative is grazing offers substantial economic benefits by bolstering soil health, boosting carbon and sequestration, and cutting input expenses for farmers. And through the grassland restoration and biodiversity enhancement,